Today we're organizing our garage and getting all of our tools in one place with the help of our new rolling metal storage cabinet from Letaya. It took little time to install and has tons of storage to organize our tools. It's 6 foot tall and it even has locks to keep your tools safe, as well as locking wheels to keep your storage cabinet safe. We were able to store away so many tools that were in our garage. The top and bottom cabinets are able to hold our bigger items, and the rolling drawer is able to hold quick grab items like a hammer or work scissors. And since the cabinet is metal, we're able to put in things like a magnet tray, magnet lights, or a screwdriver mount. There's so much room to customize it to how you want it. You can even adjust the height of the shelves. So yeah, we've really been enjoying this new cabinet. I love the matte black color against the metal. In my opinion, it looks really nice. It's sturdy, the locks are useful, and now all of our tools are nicely organized. We'll be able to find what we need when we need it and know where everything is, thanks to our new storage cabinet. So if you're looking to organize your garage too, this storage cabinet might just be for you. Till next time, I've got some work to do. See ya!